How to find Ubisoft Connection activation code on Steam. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate any of your games that are from Ubisoft. For example, for us, let's say Albion is our Ubisoft game. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your game over here. It will allow you to view its information. And then you're going to click on the manage option over here on the right side. Let me in this. And under manage here, there should be an option here called CD key. Similarly, it could also be appearing on this side on Albion Online on the left side itself. And if you click on manage here, it should also have a CD key here. Now, if you can't find CD key on your option, since nowadays some Ubisoft games doesn't require you to get a CD key, I found some reviews online where it will actually guide you on what you need to do to be able to bypass this entirely. So over here, these are people asking for activation code, and what they have done is, as you can see here, you just have to start the game twice, and the first time you play ask you for a key, cancel and start again, and you should be fine. So you're just going to restart and do it twice to get through. And another option or another explanation here is what they did was they also restarted. They're going to launch the game, and then they're going to click on your profile, log off and close Uplay, then launch the game you kept having issues for, and you should then be able to log in. So what they're trying to do, what they're doing is either they're logging out and then logging in and then restarting the game, or restarting the game twice, starting it quickly so that they could bypass that process entirely, because this is an issue that a lot of people have been encountering. And in YouTube, what they showed was something similar to what I did, which is the method here, but for a lot of people the CD key option is not really available. Therefore, I also looked around and looked through the Steam community, through Reddit, and these are the things that people are actually able to have worked for them. So this is what I'm going to recommend as well if you also cannot find the CD key from what I showed you earlier. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.